the sip is back for the month of July. That's all I can give you. I don't know where, I don't know how, but y'all, I haven't fallen off. Like, it just has not been happening as far as these videos, especially the sip videos. Like, I haven't been drinking like that, haven't been going down, you know, the alcoholic beverages aisles or anything like that. So I have officially made July canned wine month. So every weekend be prepared to see me review a canned wine. I think this is genius. Some people think it's cheap, some people think it's corny, some people think it's classless. I think it's pure genius because it looks like soda. It looks like a fancy water, and 9 times out of 10 nobody gonna even question, second guess what you got. And I like that. So I think this is genius. This is called Presto Sparkling Cuvée. I hope I said that right. Probably didn't. Italian sparkling wine. Vino Frizzante. Frizzante, that mean freeze? I don't know. Imported from Italy. I got this from Whole Foods for like $3.49. The bagger, that sounds bad. The lady that put the groceries in the bags at the end of the, you know, at the end of the thing where you go to check out at. Anyway, she was like, have you tried this? I said no. She said it's so good. So hopefully it is good. I mean, it was only $4, but most of these products aren't that expensive anyway. So this is 250 milliliters. Alcohol by volume is 11%. Jesus. Oh, dang. For real? Surgeon General stuff, you know, pregnant women shouldn't drink. But if you are, you know, pregnant, just, you know, put this on your to have list to test out after you drop the baby. That smell like straight beer. That's what that is. That smell like Budweiser. That don't smell like wine. That smell like Budweiser. Okay. I don't need to say nothing because you already know. Let's see. She said this was really dry. I'm not really into super dry wines. A little bit of dryness is cool, but this is like desert. It's really dry. Like, it's just so... If you like really super dry wines, this is gonna be great for you. No. If you're someone that likes like the sweet to like really sweet, you definitely will not like this. Out of nowhere, I've kind of, even though I haven't been drinking, when I would go out, I might have a glass of wine. It would be like white. It really wouldn't be like sweet red. This is okay. I'm really not into, I'm always gonna love sweet red wines, but I've been kind of dabbling with, you know, white wines if I go out. But like I said, I haven't been drinking that much of anything. This is like super dry. It's like super dry. I'm not feeling it. $3.49 at not Walmart, Whole Foods. We're gonna keep this short and sweet. I do not like it. I do not care for it. I would not get it again. No sweetness, extremely bitter, extremely dry, just very flat. So no, this isn't for me.